Good morning, my friends. Oh my goodness, there is so much dew out here on the ground right now. It's crazy. Dew's all over the truck. Let's get some little heat started. Yes, I did say heat. Unlike last race I went up to, it was already 70. This one we're shooting at I don't know, 49. I'm in shorts too. So let's get this day started. Let's get this trailer hooked up. Let's get on down the road. Pops should be out here soon. Okay, we got everything hooked up, ready to get out of here, get to the track. Like I said, it's a cool morning. It's 49, we'll show them 50 now. And guess who we have this morning? We got Pops is in the house. So anyway, with that said, let's get to the track. But first we have to make one quick little pit stop. Hopefully you know where that's going to be. So if not, I'm going to show you. So we have to see what their bag is going to be this morning, because I have no idea. Last two mornings were last two trips were Christmas bags. Hopefully something a little bit warmer, although it is cool out there this morning, so it does not surprise me that they have the Christmas bag. So let's get started. Well, we made it, just like last time. Look like no one's here. Well, Pop's here, that'd be different. Okay, he's gonna go out and get the order in and get some food. Okay, let's see what the bag looks like now. Hope you enjoyed that drone footage. Should I even dare ask? Uh-oh, it kind of looks different. What the heck? That's look like a balloon with a hot dog wiener sticking out of it. I don't know what that's a wacky pack. What? Okay, you doing better now, Sonic. We're not in wintertime mode, we're in wacky pack mode. That'll work. What do you think?
Works good.
Okay. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, there we go. Smells good too. Same thing on the other side. Oh, it's a little bit different. More of a balloon on the other side. Okay. Got the hamburger in the balloon there. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get on down the road. Yep, made it to the track. People already set up, obviously. And there's the sign. Okay, let's get inside and pay the lady. Well, it's all warmed up and it's all dumped. Anyway, we got the car all warmed up and all that good stuff. So here's another picture of what it looks like with a suspension change. So hopefully that will solve our traction issue. Not sure, but we'll find out here in the first pass. So stay tuned to that. Okay, looks like it's all JB Weld for the most part. Feels okay. Just hope it doesn't come up going down the track. That would be bad. Okay, let me give you a little update. Qualifying is done. So strange. Super Pro, I'm not having any traction issues. Okay, in fact it ran pretty much identical number between passes, and I mean 662 with the Ford and a 662 with the no, not bad. No E, I am all over the place. My 60s are varying quite a bit. 48, 47 on my 60 foots, but on my Super Pros they're like low 40s, 143 and 144. So I'm about 4 numbers difference between Super Pro and no E. I already made a shock adjustment, took some rebound out of it. It has not affected Super Pro at all.
but no E, it really has not affected that much. I don't know what to do. I really don't. Might just dial it if we're going to spin in no E, and Super Pro dial it pretty tight. So we'll go from that aspect. I mean, I could try to take more rebound out of it so it can back in, can extend a little more. I really don't know at this point. So anyway, here we go. Okay, ready to go now. I think I'm gonna be in the left lane. I think the truck 641, I'm at 665. The dial port is going to spin. If it doesn't spin, I'm going to have to take some out. See what my time is, as in reaction plus 60 foots. Thank you. Okay, I'm in Super Pro, no E. Man, I threw away a good light. I dialed for it's going to be spinning. It spun, and guess what? I got out of it. I gave it back. So stupid. This one I dialed for is going to hook. I'm not getting out of this one. Okay, got another fast dragster. 480, almost 2 seconds difference. Dead on the number. Okay, 665. I'm dialing it, think it's going to spin. So if it spins, I'm going to stay in it. If it doesn't spin, I'm going to have to get out of it. There's no way around it. That was a good light. That must be a terrible light because I never caught them. Oh yeah. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. Okay, I cut a 122 light. 122 light. Yeah. This is crazy. So anyway, car would have ran 661 with a 2 or something like that, but they're actually hooked on the no E. So anyway, they called us a Super Pro, so let's go up there. Got another fast dragster. That's a win. Yeah, 10 light. That's not bad. It hooked pretty good, but she slowed down too. Okay, we're in round 3 Super Pro. I have no idea what I'm getting. I'm sure I'm gonna be the slower one of the bunch. Got a 662 on it, so it's been my number all day. Okay, had a 26 light. He had a 10, so I gave up 16 there at the tree. Dialed a 62, it ran a 65, so it's 3 off there. He ran dead on, 507 on a 507. Good job. Time to clean up. We're all packed up. Let's get out of here. Some days you got good days racing, some days you got bad. We had an average day. Okay guys, well that's it for this video. Didn't quite get it done today. Some mistakes were made along the way. Should adjust my dial there in Super Pro. After looking from the previous pass, we should have upped the dial in just a little bit. It was slowing down, so I was just too stubborn to change it, I guess. But anyway, it is what it is. We'll be back out here in another week. We got the Memorial Day race, so it's 2 days racing. Should be fun. So with that, if you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're just about at 1,000, so man, I need all the help I can get. So anyway, with that, I'm out here. Let's get home.